Welcome to the 4th episode of ECTV Tries, where we undergo a new adventure every week. I'm Karlie Fromm.
And I'm Maddie Holmberg, and we are your triers for the week. We have not been told what we will be doing today, but we have been given a hint. The information we were told about this challenge is that it's spring break themed.
So Maddie, what do you think that means? When I think of spring break, I immediately think the beach.
Yes, absolutely. And I don't know, some activities maybe that happen at the beach.
Do you think we're building sandcastles?
That's brilliant.
Because I think we could be building sandcastles.
No, that's right. It has to be.
Okay, well, it is time for us to find out what our task is for the night. Our task is, in honor of spring break, use the items provided to create the perfect mocktail for springtime. So,
Oh, wow.
Maddie, what do you think about creating the perfect mocktail?
I'm kind of nervous.
I've never done it before.
No, me neither. I don't know where to start.
Well, we'll be right back. We just have to set up for the task. All right, well, we are all set up, and now we are going to begin making our mocktails. Okay, so Maddie, I like carbonation, so I think I'm gonna go in with the bubbly base. What are you going for?
Personally, not a carbonation girl,
Okay.
so I'm gonna start off with, well, actually, my mom always told me for the best mocktail, you have to put the fruit in to infuse first.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go ahead and throw my fruit in first.
You know what? I think I'm gonna do the fruit syrup, like a simple syrup almost.
Oh wow, that's a lot of fruit.
Just dump some out.
That's fine.
Okay, I'm gonna do some syrup. Did you remember when you were in like elementary school? Did you have someone else open your fruit cups for you? Because
No.
you were scared?
No.
Is that just me?
I just let them splatter all over me. So this one's actually raspberry acai green tea.
Okay.
Never had this one before,
I have
so
never had Celsius at all.
I'm hoping for the best. Oh wow, it's already quite full. That's kind of on me. I dumped a whole can of fruit cup juice into my mocktail.
You know what would be good with the peaches? It's probably orange juice.
Okay, yeah, that's
I'm
a
gonna
good
go
suggestion.
raspberry lemonade. I feel like that'll go good
I
with.
love raspberry
I don't
lemonade.
open
No,
it.
it's probably one of my favorite
Really?
beverages. Yes.
I like it.
Uh-huh. Oh, I didn't shake it.
Oh, I didn't shake it. Does it need sugar?
Yes,
Okay,
it needs shaken.
I'm gonna shake it.
Shake, 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 shake.
Okay.
Okay. And a
What's
1, 2.
Oh! You counted.
Okay.
I did not. Oh, look, it looks pretty.
Yeah, yours looks beautiful.
I wonder if I just go for aesthetics. Like,
I
will
think-
cranberry juice sink and make it look red?
Maybe.
Are you
So,
gonna take something?
I'm gonna scoop some of this fruit out. Okay, that's probably gonna be a little bit better. Okay, go ahead with that. That looks so pretty. Oh my gosh.
Yay!
I'm very jealous right now. I'm gonna need some of that.
Okay, go ahead.
Cranberry
And then, you know,
orange.
I'm thinking just some lemonade on top. Just, we're all for aesthetics here.
Look
All
how
for
much
aesthetics.
prettier mine's getting.
Yours looks good.
It looks like spring, like spring break. It's crazy. I'm gonna top off with some lemonade too.
I have nothing left to add. Maybe just some more bubbly.
I'm kind of scared to try this.
I'm scared to try it.
It's very fruit infused.
Yours is fruit infused. Okay, well, how do you think this went?
Have we done it?
Have we done it?
I don't know.
I think, I don't know.
Do you need anything else?
I
in
don't
yours?
think so.
A special touch.
I think I'm ready to try. I would love some cherries, but
We weren't provided
we were
with
not
those.
provided
Yeah.
cherries by the studio.
Yeah.
So, okay, I'm gonna try it. You ready?
Let's try
Let's
ours
at the same
together.
time. Ready?
Okay,
3.
ready?
Wait, we gotta cheer.
Cheers to
Okay.
spring break.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So much
3,
time.
2, 1. How's yours?
It's very juicy.
Juicy.
Yeah. But I honestly would give it a 7 out of 10. It's not horrible.
Mine needs stirred. It looks very pretty,
Uh-huh.
but it's very like in layers. It
Mhm.
needs a nice stir, but I like it. Mine, probably a 6 out of 10. There's actually not much flavor, and I think that's because I topped it with bubbly.
Mhm.
So all I'm getting is bubbly right now.
Gotcha.
Okay, now we gotta try
Switch.
each other's. Don't worry, we're both not sick.
No.
We're okay.
For someone who doesn't like carbonation, probably not my choice of drink.
Yours
Uh-huh.
is good.
You like it?
The peach is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, the peach is nice.
Okay.
Okay, well, I think this went really well.
Yeah,
I think
so
we are ready now for spring break on the beach with our mocktails.
I would have to agree with that.
Okay. Well, thank you for watching the 4th episode of ECTV Tries. Keep an eye out for next week's episode. I'm Karlie Fromm.
And I'm Maddie Holmberg, and you're watching ECTV Tries. Thanks for joining us, and have a great and safe spring break.